So what is revenue exactly? Revenue is how much you make. So if you know the price of something and you know how much you're making, you get what your revenue is. Remember, that's not your profit. Your revenue is how much the income is, how much the price is times the quantity. So how much you're charging times the quantity of things that you're selling. And then what you have is, if your profit is, you have to subtract how much it actually costs to make it. So let's look at an example. I have a price in dollars, P, and a quantity sold X, and it has a demand equation, P equals negative 1/3 X plus 100. So now I want to find the revenue. So remember, R of X is price times quantity. So it's going to be negative 1/3 X plus 100 just times X, which is negative 1/3 X squared plus 100 X. So what's my domain of R? What's my domain of the revenue? Well, obviously you're not going to make negative items, right? And any other X value will do, so I'll just say X greater than or equal to 0. And then I want to know, what's the revenue if I sell 100? Well, R of 100 is negative 1/3 times 100 squared plus 100 times 100, which is actually be 2/3 100 squared, which equals 6666.67 So now what I want to know is what X maximizes the revenue. Well, so I want to know the vertex, X, R of X, right? I know the X and the R of X. So I know that my A is negative 1/3 and my B is 100. So now I have my X is going to be negative B over 2 times A. Which is 150. And then if I want to know what my revenue is, it's going to be R of 150, which is negative 1/3 times 150 squared plus 100 times 150. Which equals 7,500. And so if I want to know what price to charge, remember I had my price function. Price was negative 1/3 X plus 100. So I want to know what price I have to charge. I want to plug in my 150. So my price should be negative 1/3 times 150 plus 100. Which equals 50.